Experiencing mobile connection problems? You're not alone. This video helps you troubleshoot common issues like signal drops, DNS errors, and general connection problems. Let's start by understanding what these issues are. Signal drops happen when your phone loses connection to the cell tower. This is often due to weak signal strength, interference from things like buildings, or even network congestion. An easy way to check your signal strength is by using an app like Network Signal Info, which displays your signal in dBm. Aim for around -50 dBm for excellent signal. Anything worse than -100 dBm is likely causing drops. DNS, or Domain Name System, translates website names into IP addresses that your phone can understand. When DNS fails, you might not be able to access websites. This can stem from incorrect settings on your device, ISP failures, or even cyber attacks like DNS spoofing. Your device typically uses a DNS server provided by your ISP, but you can switch to public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 for potentially faster and more reliable connections. General connection problems can include authentication errors, issues with your SIM card, or even software glitches on your phone. Keep watching to learn about troubleshooting these and more.